Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add payment method to your Google account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, you need to simply tap open your Play Store and simply tap open your profile on the top right hand side of the corner. Once you do this, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply tap on payments and subscriptions. So now here simply tap on payment methods, and after you have done this, you can find an option called add payment method to your Google account. So simply tap on add credit or debit card, and now fill all the required fields like your card number, your month and year of expiry, and your security code as well. After you have done this, you will be able to simply add a payment method to your Google account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching.